equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, unplug your Dyson HS01 hairdryer to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the dryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Inside, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the efficiency of your hairdryer. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your situation. Now, using your flathead screwdriver, carefully detach the motor from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding wires. Once the motor is free, take note of how it is connected. This will be crucial for installing the new motor. If you're unsure, feel free to reach out for assistance. Next, take your new motor and align it with the existing connections. Ensure that all wires are properly connected and secured. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your hairdryer repaired without any hassle. Once the new motor is in place, reassemble the handle by aligning it correctly and replacing the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened securely to avoid any rattling or movement during use. After reassembly, it's important to test the hairdryer. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, if you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, it may be worth considering a professional service. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can handle everything from the comfort of your home. In summary, replacing the motor in your Dyson HS01 hairdryer is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your hairdryer to its optimal performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.